Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can report Instagram comments. So if you find a hateful or hate speech, hate comment, or inappropriate or disturbing, even disturbing comments that you can find on Instagram, you can easily report it. So for example, you can try to search the posts that have a comment that you want to report. Of course, here for example, in order to report it, you can hold the command. Here we go. You can tap on report. Here the Instagram will ask you why are you reporting this comment. Your report is anonymous except if you're reporting an intellectual property infringement. If someone is in immediate danger, call the local emergency service. Don't wait. Here we go. This is the let's get back. This is the reason that you can try to tap it. For example, spam, nudity or sexual activity, hate speech or symbols, violence, sale of illegal, bullying or harassment, intellectual property violation, false information, suicide, drugs, and I just don't like it, or something else. For example, tap on something else and you can type the reason. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and circle the button below. See you in the next video.